So start small, 'di ba? You can do a simple LinkedIn post of what you did for today or ano project mo sa school. O kaya, some GitHub merges, yung mga ganun. Or just make yourself your online presence a little bit known, smaller, and then gradually, kung saan ka na mag-post. Kahit Stack Overflow, that's already a presence, online presence.
Welcome to Kaka Computer Podcast, where tech meets wit and wisdom. So for this episode, we were talking about building a personal brand in IT. So guys, what exactly is a personal brand and why is it important in the IT world? Umpisaan natin kay Sir Boss Rod.
Ayoko na naman. Okay, sige. Personal brand is, for me, something na magde-describe sa'yo. So, for example, sa akin kasi parang screen name ko is Boss Rod. So, if someone already knew who's Boss Rod is, alam na nila yung characteristic ni Boss Rod. Ano ba si Boss Rod? I mean, seryoso bang tao to? Ano ba to? Loko-loko ba to? Mga ganun. So, parang yung personal brand is something na makaka-help sa'yo to easily identify kung ano ka ba. So, software engineer ka ba? Anong klaseng influencer ka ba? Actually, hindi lang siya sa influencer thing, but it also that depends on your on your own personal characteristic. No, so kunyari kung developer ka ba na mahiyain, developer ka ba na energetic, ano ka ba? Anti ganto ka ba? Pro ganto ka ba? So something na mag-identify talaga sa'yo na anong klaseng personality ka. So
yeah, I agree. For me, personal brand is, again, essentially the way you present yourself, your skills and values to the world, offline and online. So hindi siya of course limited sa influencers whatsoever. It's really about yourself and who you are as a programmer or who you are as a professional in the tech industry. Pero if ikaw, di ba, yung Boss Rod, ako naman meron dyan. Pero hindi ko masyado vocalize, di ba?
yeah.
If I want na ako yung may isip nila when they hear the word Comsci Cutie. So, yun yun yung nakalagay sa mga bios ko around my social media. Na parang, okay.
Again.
Comsci Cutie.
Yeah.
Nox, diba? Kasi, yung word pa lang na yun, it shows na, okay, she's serious, she's into tech, Comsci, with a little bit of humor and energy,
yes.
which is who I really am. So, ayan, kayo po ba?
Hindi, si Sir Teo muna.
Sige, go, Sir Teo.
Hindi, pero ako kasi ang personal branding ko, pogi lang.
Bagay!
So, ang personal branding kasi for me is how yun nga, paano ka, kapag may narinig na word or a certain industry or maybe a certain niche, yung, for example, yung mga companies or employers or mga leads, na ikaw talaga yung tatatak sa utak nila na ikaw agad yung maalala nila. So, that's personal brand for me. Like, ano yung strength mo as a developer? What are your, ano yung mga niche mo as a developer or as a builder, as an IT guy? Ayan.
For me, personal brand is how you stand out as a IT professional. So, make your personal brand as a marketing opportunity to sell yourself to your community or to your target clients. And it depends kasi may kanya-kanya naman tayong goal that why we create our own personal brand. Like, for example, si Boss Rod, gusto niyang gumawa ng community, which is, meron siya, ang ganda ng community niya, di ba?
Thank you.
And ito, si Sir Teo, pogi yung and then si Madam. And so, we have our own personal brand. It is important to stand out, as we said, no? Pero paano ba magsimula? Paano ba mag-start ng personal brand? Sinong...
I can go first.
Yeah,
go ahead.
For me, you can just start really, really small. Start small kasi ang importante naman is maka-first step ka dyan eh. So start small, di ba? You can do a simple LinkedIn post of what you did for today or ano project mo sa school. O kaya, some GitHub merges, yung mga ganon. Or just make yourself, your online presence a little bit known, smaller, and then gradually, kung saan ka na mag-post. Kahit Stack Overflow, that's already a presence online presence. So, ang advice ko is to start small muna, LinkedIn, GitHub, and even, make yourself known in communities and events. Not just parang di mo naman kailangan maging officer or whatsoever. Just show up to events and then network, and then, you can start from there.
Dapat ba may pangalan muna? Or
Hindi
mag-isa na
naman. Just be
pangalan?
yourself muna, and then eventually naman, it will find the right audience and it will find the right community.
Ikaw, Boss Rod, paano ka nag-start?
Yan, sige. Sa akin medyo interesting. So, sa akin kasi, before ako mag-start, nagkaroon kasi akong problem. So, ano yung problem? Mahina ako sa English. Mahina akong makaintindi ng mga documentations and so on. So, before ako nag-start, inisip ko muna, ano ba yung goal ko? So, my goal is to create a Tagalog tutorial programming. So, that's the first thing na inisip ko before ako mag-start. So, bago ako mag-start, bakit ko ba ito i-start? Which, in-start ko siya kasi nga, feel ko na maraming Pinoy na language barrier kasi yung English.
Kasi,
so, parang comprehension eh. Isa ako dun eh.
So, ikaw yung nag-start?
Sabi ko, wala pa masyadong Tagalog
This
Why
is the
not?
best time.
Nakapasok na ako ng professional na work. Sabi natin kahit junior or after a year na ako nag-work na ako sa kanila. And may mga experiences na ako. So, anong nangyari is nag-i-start ako mag-aral ng mga technicalities and so on. Sabi ko, kaya naman pala kahit di ka magaling sa English. Ngayon, yun nga, nag-isip ako, ba ako mag-i-start mag-YouTube? Kasi nga, gusto kong magkaroon ng Tagalog tutorial para if ever na may mga fellow programmers na hindi magaling sa English, meron silang tatakbuhan na Tagalog.
Yes,
so that's the very first start.
Very interesting.
That's the very first start na
Nice.
goal. Goal mo muna. Bakit ba gusto mong gumawa ng personal brand mo? So if sa akin, sa part ko, kasi gusto kong maging tech influencer din. That's why I created yung Tagalog tutorials, yung Boss Rod TV. And then, if ang question naman is more on sa personal mo, like sa credential mo, credibility mo, yun nga yung sinabi ni Darla. So, start with LinkedIn, GitHub, and kung ano-ano pang mga possible na materials sa social media na pwede mong ipakita if ever na gusto mong i-showcase kung ano ba yung personal brand mo.
Nice,
so,
nice. Interesting. Sir Teo, ikaw?
Ako, I fully agree with both of them now, with Darla and Boss Rod here. Kasi, yun nga, you really have to know yourself. You have to have, a goal in mind na ano ba talagang gusto kong mangyari sa sarili ko. Kasi yun yung magiging brand mo eh. Kaya nga personal brand eh. It's personal. Ikaw dapat lon. So, know yourself. And yun nga, baby steps tayo. Ako personally, kaya ako nasa Web3 ngayon and Solana specifically. It's because I built my personal brand there, specifically sa Twitter. I always ask questions na, hey developers, paano to gagawin? And maraming sumasagot sa akin doon. That's why yung naging personal brand ko is someone building in that ecosystem.
Nice.
So, yun, baby steps hanggang sa ngayon na ako na mismo yung gumagawa ng mga tutorials and so on. And alam mo yun, tumutulong naman ngayon sa mga developers out there.
Nice, nice. So, more than, hindi lang pogi, pero tumutulong din sa community.
PWA Pilipinas is the premier community for creators and enthusiasts of progressive web apps and modern web technologies in the Philippines. Join them for their upcoming Tech Talk Roadshow and meetups across the country, including stops in Metro Manila, Cebu, Baguio, Davao, and more. Stay updated by following PWA Pilipinas on social media or visiting pwapilipinas.org.
Yes, yes.
How
So,
about you, sir?
starting ang personal brand kasi ito yung misconception ng mga nag-i-start, na gusto mag-start na kailangan meron na silang nagawa, meron na silang natapos na project. Pero hindi. I highly encourage you guys na if you're interested to create your own personal brand, kahit i-post nyo kung ano yung mga inaaral nyo or yung mga natututunan nyo kasi in the end of the day, magkakaroon kayo ng unsolicited followers. Yun yung parang makaka-relate sa inyo na pinagdadaanan ko rin to eh. I-follow ko rin siya. And then magiging interested sila doon sa end product. And then from there, kung ano na yung narating mo, tapos, so yung iba kasi nahihiya. wala naman ako ipopost eh. But that's the idea eh. Kaya ka magpo-post kasi you will show your work, your journey doon sa social media.
Yeah. And to add to that, actually building in public is a thing now.
Yes.
People love to see the journey of paano ka nagsimula, paano mo siya binild, paano ka natapos.
Kasi ang akala nila yung success na agad.
Yeah.
Which is dapat yung kasi nakikita yung success na agad pero hindi nila nakita yung struggle behind doon kung paano nagsimula.
Yung journey.
Di ba? Yung journey. So for the next question, how can tech professionals effectively showcase their skills and expertise online? So is there any advice paano yung tamang way or is there a correct way ba para mag-build ng personal brand?
Actually, for me, walang tamang way. It's just do your own way. Kasi I believe na, kunyari, pares tayong programmer, pero no experience are the same. Parang iba pa rin yung thoughts mo and this thing, iba pa rin yung thoughts ko and this thing. And for me, parang, again, basta start, just do it. Kasi, again, first step's always the hardest, pero the next, pag nalagpasan mo na yun, okay na eh.
Yeah.
Eventually, ako naman nung nag-start din ako, I just wanted to daldal about computer science eh. And then eventually, it found the right audience eh. So parang, I agree with both na parang just start and then eventually, it will find the right audience. Basta authentic ka sa ginagawa mo and kung sino ka. Yung talagang nilalabas mo kung sino ka. Pati yung, may sasabihin sana ako, nakalimutan ko. Masyado ako napogian kay Sir Leo. Pero, ayun, just be authentic to who you are. And then, ayun, just kasi, kahit anong gawin mo, may makaka-relate sa'yo.
Yes,
and parang,
yes,
yun naman
yes.
yung importante. That's why tech influencers and tech communities are here.
Yeah. Ikaw, Boss Rod, may tamang way ba para mag-create ng personal brand?
I agree with Darla. No? There's no tamang way. There's no correct way. Even sa mga tech nga, 'di ba? I mean, there's no really a one perfect solution for everything. So that's the same thing with personal branding. So I think what is the best thing that you can do is do your own thing. Be unique as much as possible. Kasi if common thing, this what I always advise, if always common yung ginagawa mo, expect common yung result niyan. But if unique yung ginagawa mo, for sure unique yung magiging result niyan. So saan ba yung gusto mo? Dun sa mga common thinker or dun sa unique thinker? So you just need to choose where to start.
Right. Ikaw, Sir Teo.
Same pa rin nung sinabi ko kanina, no? Kasi ako nga, nag-start lang ako building my personal brand by asking questions. And as simple as that, yun nga, walang tama o mali na way na gawin siya eh. So you can, and gustong-gusto ko yung culture ngayon ng mga developers, hindi lang sa Philippines but global as well, na we're telling everyone na it's okay to ask questions.
Yes.
And it's okay to, not know everything.
Yes.
Yeah.
And doon mo kasi i-build talaga yung, okay, nagsisimula pa lang ako, I'm still starting out on building my personal brand. I'm still starting out as a developer na, okay, ito ako, anong kailangan ko matutunan? So, sino ang kailangan ko makilala para malaman yung mga bagay na yun? And yun pa lang eh. That's the very first or a good baby step, yun nga, para ma-start mong i-build yung personal brand mo na.
I think yung malaking percentage na listeners natin is student, no?
Yeah.
Yes.
So gusto ko lang sabihin sa mga estudyante na kung akala nyo alam na namin lahat, hindi. Kasi in every project, in every task, we're still learning new. And nandun yung research, hindi nawawala yon. And don't expect too much of us kasi hindi rin namin alam talaga what we're doing most of the time. So we go as we go. So yeah. So I think I have a last question, no? Since we all have our own personal brand, ano yung naging benefits ng personal brand ninyo? Meron ba kayong nakuhang bagong client or new community na na-build? Ano yung mga opportunities na dumating because of your personal brand?
So, siguro ako muna. Okay. Siguro yung mga naging benefit sa akin ng personal brand is first, syempre, when I'm finding a job, it's really easy to sell myself. Kasi I have already built my credibility.
Yeah.
Sa LinkedIn,
Social
sa
proof.
YouTube, my communities, and so on and so on. It's really a great help when it comes to interviewing pagka mag-apply ka sa job.
Yeah.
And secondly is, Kasi ito yung pinaka one of the two things na bakit ako nag-build ng personal brand ko is to have networks. So, as you can see, if I don't have a brand, hindi ko makikilala si Darla, hindi ko makikilala si Franz, si Tio, si Sir Rapi, or kung sino-sino pang mga nasa tech community out there. So, parang isa sa mga good thing to have a personal brand is you have this opportunity na makakakilala pa ng iba't ibang professional. Kasi once na magkaroon ka ng iba't ibang connection, diyan na pumapasok yung iba't ibang thoughts na either i-absorb mo or hindi mo i-absorb.
Yes.
So,
Totally agree. Ikaw, Madam Darla?
Yeah, same din naman, no? Let's get real here. It's for the job interviews and the network.
Yes.
Pero kasi ako naman din, with a little bit of Darla and me, I always chase growth like professional and personal growth. So, ang benefit sa akin ng pagkakaroon ng personal brand is the opportunities that I find and the opportunities that find me and the opportunities that I grab. So, dahil dun sa personal brand ko, again, actually, I found my job because of
That's nice.
my personal brand. Not
That's
because
nice.
parang nag-interview ako whatsoever, pero kasi parang I'm super active ko sa tech community, and then yung company I work at is super active sa tech community. So parang dun ko na grab yung opportunity. So, and yung mga dito sa benefits ng personal branding, makikilala mo yung mga taong nang magbibigay sa'yo ng strong support system and tao na share the same advocacies with you.
Yes,
And then
yes.
lastly, yung pinaka-importante benefit sa akin is yung opportunity to know myself more. And then, ayun benefit din yun So, the more I know myself, the more that I can contribute to the growth of my personal branding.
Nice. Very very well said from Madam Darla. No? Ikaw, Sir Tio, anong ano?
Actually, same din with them. Kasi I found, or my new full-time position right now found me because of my personal brand.
Nice, nice,
Pero
nice.
it's through referral Kasi your personal brand, it will, echo with
word of mouth.
Yeah, paano ka ma-refer basically.
Yes.
Kasi ako ang branding ko ngayon is a multi-awarded hackathon winner. Kasi I've won different hackathons in the past.
Lakas.
So, nung na-refer ako, parang ang naging referral is, ito okay, itong
Malupit
developer
to.
kasi nanalo itong mga hackathons and so on. So, yun talaga, nakaka-help talaga siya to network, to have a full-time job, to have more opportunities din.
Yes, yes. Nice. Very nice yung mga yung mga naging benefit ng personal brand. So, in my point of view, personal brand is like you marketing yourself, you market yourself, and at the same time, if target mo is magkaroon ng work because of your personal brand, your personal brand will attract the job opportunity.
Yeah.
Sige, go. Sige.
You finish first. Kasi can I just share one last thing?
Yeah, go ahead. It's your
No,
time.
pero you finish your sentence.
I'm done.
first. You're done. Hindi, pero can I just share
Okay
one
lang.
last thing? Parang, yung personal brand, it doesn't parang mean that you have to be an influencer
Right,
or
yes.
like create content. It's more on just building your own portfolio in the tech industry. So baka kasi akala nila na parang, okay, I have to be an influencer para makakuha na trabaho. Like, no.
What's up mga boss?
Hindi ganon.
Not at all. So, it's more on just building a personal brand na parang portfolio and what you can do and what you can offer sa tech industry. So,
I-amplify ko lang yung
continue.
sinabi ni Madam Darla, no? Kasi in my own opinion, resume is dead.
Yes.
Kasi, papasa ka resume, kasi hindi naman na yan kino-consider sa, maybe sa corporate, pero if you want to expand your experience in your network, build a personal brand. Let the potential employer read what you're doing doon sa mga post mo, and then that's your resume na.
Yeah.
That's how you hired. That's how you get job opportunities.